Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video I share with you some country style home decoration ideas. Let's see the video. Country style home decor is a warm, welcoming and lived-in design style that draws inspiration from rural life. It emphasizes comfort, tradition, and simplicity, often incorporating handcrafted elements, natural materials, and nostalgic charm. Here's a breakdown of what defines country style decor. Core elements of country style: natural materials, wood, especially pink, oak, or distressed finishes. Stone, brick, and wood iron. Hard wooden textiles and pottery. Soft, cozy color palette. Earth tones, soft whites, sage green, dusty blue, mustard, and warm reds. Floral, gingham, plaid, and tile prints. Furniture, sturdy, timeless, and often vintage inspired. Painted or distressed finishes, turned ledges, spandrel back chairs. Mix of upholstered and wooden pitches. Accessories, wicker baskets, antique tins, old-fashioned clocks. Handmade quilts, cross-stitched pillows, lace doilies, decorative plates, teacups, and crockery on display. Rustic touches, exposed beams, farmhouse sinks, wood paneling, and open shelving. Mason jars, enamelware, and galvanized metal. Nostalgic decor, heirlooms, framed family photos, old books, sinks with sayings like "Home Sweet Home" or "Bless this house." Sub-style of country decor: French country, elegant with ornate furniture, soft pastels, and floral patterns. English country, more eclectic and layered with floral prints, darker woods, and vintage treasures. American country is simpler with red, white, blue accents, primitive decor, and folk art. Modern country blends traditional elements with updated touches like sleek lighting or neutral plates. Mix patterns thoughtfully. Combine florals, gingham, and checks in pillows, curtains, and upholstery. But keep the color palette cohesive for a calm look. Use open shelving for display. Show off pretty dishes, vintage teacups, or antique kitchenware on wooden or painted shelves. Decorate with fresh or dried flowers, wildflowers, sunflowers, lavender, or dried hydrangeas in pictures or crockery. Add organic countryside beauty. Add skirted sinks or tables. Cover lower cabinets or tables with fabric skirts for a sweet, old-fashioned look, especially in kitchens or laundry rooms. Use wallpaper for accent walls. Opt for floral, royal, or taking stripes wallpaper to bring in soft pattern and warmth. Incorporate antiques and flea market finds. Old trunks, dressers, bread boxes, and lanterns can serve as functional decor with timeless character. Create a cozy reading nook. Use a rocking chair or vintage armchair. Add a knitted throw and surround it with books and a small lamp. Let your china shine. Hang plates on the wall or use a plate rack to display a collection of vintage or floral china. Add warm lighting. Use table lamps, fabric shades, wall sconces, and candles to create a soft, glowing ambience. Frame embroidery or needlepoint art. These handmade, sentimental touches add to the authentic country charm and tell a story of tradition. I think these tips help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.